Yes, yes, I already have an account in GitHub, and also I have
No,
some repositories.
correct, correct. What I'm asking is, have we discussed that we have to create and all this GitHub में?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we were seeing that time. No, so by creating an instance, then we tried to log into GitHub. Yes.
So at least okay. So have you discussed Docker में कैसे बनाने वो पता नहीं बताया ना Docker UI में?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. वो सर नहीं हुआ.
Okay. Okay. So Pushkar, can you take a vote here? How many are really listening to us and they are?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, those are actually was okay with the talk, and they can have a slot free in the evening. They can raise their hands.
Okay. So हाँ तो basically मेरा एक I'll tell you. Okay. Please raise. Okay. और okay Rakesh. Yeah. So total how many students attendees are there? अरे वाह 10-15 मतलब बहुत है good account.
Yes, sir. I think yeah, most of them are sir, interested.
And
Sir. They can.
correct. And Pushkar, what is my plan here is कि we will have a
Yeah.
proper recording and
Yeah.
PPT so that जो भी नहीं
Yeah.
है, those they are not attending, they can also
Yeah.
refer. And
Yes, sir,
trust
that
me,
is the point, sir. Yeah, yeah, that is the point. That because whenever your session will stop or will terminate in the future, they can refer back to the PPTs and the recording, so they can clear their concepts, sir.
will upload to the R this thing NIT वाला जो है
Yeah,
ना
yeah,
सर का.
yeah. Make sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you have it 7:30 थोड़ा पूछ लीजिए राह सबका.
Timing is fine. 7:30.
You can unmute and speak. There is no problem. So.
किसी को इशू है 7:30 टाइम में?
You can decide time. इवनिंग में ही करेंगे. So at evening time पर आप थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे बताओ. But today we will complete it. थोड़ा आपको कोऑपरेशन है, but it's very useful thing. मुझे प्रोडक्शन के लिए because that's my high priority for me.
नहीं सर, मैं समझ रहा हूँ. इंडस्ट्रियल नीड्स आई फील दैट सर, क्योंकि मैं Amazon में खुद प्रॉब्लम फेस किया हूँ इंडस्ट्रियल नीड्स का.
How to this thing because कल भी नहीं हो पाया.
यस सर, कोई बात नहीं सर, होता है दैट्स समटाइम्स प्रॉब्लम occurs. 7:30 फाइन है. एनीवन
इनको पूछ लेते हैं. अभिषेक, आंड्रेला, चंद्रकांत, सोमाशेखर, सोमा. Yeah, so
are you fine with the time?
Conversation. So actually, yeah. So I'll tell you quickly what is the intention of doing this activity. So now anything you are going to do, it may be your MTech research, maybe industry work. The couple of things that we will be discussing is pretty much currently required tools and techniques. So like for our software engineering, we sir explained us software project management, that's one part, software testing and methodology. And currently we learned many things, but if we look at the work culture, so currently we are referring agile methodology. And then we started some new rather I have explained you that DevOps, it's not a processor methodology, it's just a thought process. So that means the question is how we are going to implement. That is your takeout. So that means what is you have to analyze basically. That is something you have to brainstorm. That what is your requirement of the project and what all tools you are going to use it. So that's the whole idea, and that clarified. So I'll be talking about multiple tools and starting from Git, GitHub, Jenkins, then SVN and other tools, Docker. So we'll have it in the evening 7:30. ठीक है ना? So will that be fine?
Yes, students respond.
Please respond because sorry for the inconvenience because yesterday we could not make it and today also we are shifting to evening. But this responsibility I take from sir, so I have to make sure that things have been completed with proper understanding. It's not about having a session and you are not getting anything out of it. So at least you will be happy. You will remind me something one day. Yeah. At least we learned something which helped us to move on.
Yes, sir. 7:30 is fine. Sir.
Okay, so Siddharth, so and Rahul, if Panda is not there, so maybe whatever internal groups you might have, Siddharth, you just communicate to students, please, because I rather recommend please have it. Please listen to the conversation. I can understand if you'll learn 50% out of the whole concept, then it will be very, very useful. And when even if you'll working in industry or maybe in research, this concept is going to be used. So that is what I'm saying. So ठीक है फिर पुष्कर, so we'll meet at 7:30.
Yes, exactly, sir.
Okay. So एक वो पूछ ले, विकास, you are okay, right? Rakesh, Andrila. Yeah, so just I want to listen from you because ऐसा ना हो जाए कि मैं बोलता रहूँगा, आपको लगा यार क्या 2 दिन से इधर-उधर हो रहा है. So Andrila, it's okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And please do cooperate for this time. We'll finish it. And be ready with your laptop, at least laptop or desktop, whatever it is, with the internet connectivity for at least 2 hours, and you will really enjoy this thing. And you might have some internal group or WhatsApp group, जो भी होगा ना, आप just inform those that are really interested and they can join at 7:30. So Pushkar, we can then wind up at this moment.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. We can
Yeah.
terminate now, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
we will
So
just join at
I'll
7:30.
yeah, चलेगा. So अभी थोड़ा सा कुछ बताएंगे ना, then it will be kind of free work. Let's have it exactly 7:30.
Yes, sir.
Quickly move on. So we'll start
Yeah, that
from
will, yeah.
बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग का 5 मिनट का वर्कफ्लो दे दूंगा जो मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया था. एंड आई विल बी
Yes, sir.
शेयरिंग ऑल द पीपीटीज एंड डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपको फ्यूचर के लिए भी यूज होगा विद ऑल.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
बेसिकली जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किया है ना, जैसे
Yes,
कि मैंने
sir.
मल्टीपल चीजें देख के बनाया है आपके लिए, एक
Yes,
हैंडी रहेगा प्रिपेयर्ड वाला डॉक्यूमेंट. सो इफ यू सिंपली ओपन द
Yes,
डॉक्यूमेंट
yes,
एंड
sir.
गो ऑन स्टडी एंड रेफर, दैट विल बी आल्सो रियली यूजफुल. And
Yeah,
whenever
just
you for any
yeah.
interview, do mention that on basic understanding of the DevOps with whatever tools we'll discuss. Just mention that.
Yeah.
And the moment I'll finish, and at least आपको explore करने के लिए more, you will be get a kind of motivation. It's something I know I can explore.
Yes,
It
yes,
won't be
exactly.
complete new to you, like whenever you open some document or something. So that
Yeah.
we do. Then we'll wind up and we'll meet at 7. Please, it's humble recommendation. Please do join at 7:30, and inform other students who have not joined at this moment. At least 15-20 लोग join हो गए तो then मजा आ जाएगा. Okay, then Pushkar will wind up then.
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm drop हो गया क्या?
Yeah.
Okay, then thank you all. So we'll join at 7:30 in the evening today itself. Okay, Pushkar, so that's
Yes, sir.
fine for you also, right?
Yes, sir. I am okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Okay. So चलेगा फिर, then we'll meet at 7:30. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir. Yeah. Yes. Okay, sir. प्रतिभा मैम लीव कर दे क्या अभिषेक?
यस सर, शाम को आना ही है तो फिर बिलीव कर.
ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. अब 7 बजे शाम 7:30 शाम में होगा. एंड सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शंस, मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
सर अब तो आदत हो गई है.
यार मैं खुद ब्रेकफास्ट करने गया था यार, भाग भाग के आया हूँ मैं यार लिटरली. मेरा मेस ऑफ है ना, मैं दूसरे मेस में खाता हूँ जाके. भीएस गया, पीछे से आया, मतलब अराउंड 15 मिनट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस में हार्डली 10 मिनट्स में कवर किया हूँ. दौड़ के आया हूँ लिटरली 9 बजे क्लास तक. ठीक है चल कोई बात नहीं, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कंटिन्यू करूंगा जाके. क्या बोले कोई?
मैं बोला आपका कार्डियो, सर कार्डियो हो गया होगा आपका अभी.
अरे यार हाँ वो तो हो गया. अरे नहीं कैसा था, कल ही अगर प्लान करते ना, शाम में मैं इसलिए कल इसलिए मैं चाह रहा था कि शाम में स्लॉट मिल जाए कल भी, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है यार इंडस्ट्री में जो लोग रहते हैं ना यार, जनरली दे डोंट फाइंड टाइम इन द मॉर्निंग स्लॉट. ठीक है, वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. वो जो भी तुमको मीट्स होगा, एक्सेस एक्स्ट्रा चीजें होती है ना, वो शाम में ही पॉसिबल है. मुझे लगा था इनको प्रॉब्लम होगा, लेकिन खुद ही बोले थे कि मॉर्निंग में कराऊंगा. डेट्स में कुछ बोला नहीं. ठीक है, एनीवे मैं ट्राई करूंगा, पूछ चाहूंगा, बोल दूंगा इनको पर्सनली कि सर आज इन्हीं को कंक्लूड कर दीजिए, क्योंकि शेड्यूल्स बहुत शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं इधर उधर. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आज ओवर हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, फिर जो जितना जल्दी ये ओवर होगा मैं सर से बात कर पाऊंगा ना, जब तक ये कंक्लूड नहीं होगा मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता हूँ सर को अभी। ठीक है, तो तुम लोग भी जो कर रहे हो करो, चूंकि फिर शाम में फिर बैठोगे। या कोई क्वेरी है क्या किसी का कोई?
नहीं सर।
ओके ओके फाइन, ठीक है, देन वी कैन लीव फॉर नाउ। 7:30 में बैठते हैं फिर।
यस सर।
ओके ओके, चलो ठीक है, बाय एवरीवन।